Squire's CP50 combination padlock is one of the UK's best-selling padlocks. It's been specially designed with an all-weather body, so it's protected against even the worst weather conditions. Unlike most padlocks on the market, the CP50 gives heavy-duty security without the need for a key. Just remember a simple code and you're ready to go. It's made of a solid body and hardened steel shackle. It also has a unique patented combination locking mechanism with a convenient push-button opening, so you can open and close with one hand. It works using a fully recodable 4-wheel dial with 10 digits and has 10,000 code combinations. It's really easy to use and the wheels are conveniently spaced apart. It's quick to recode as well. You simply open the lock, place the recode tool into the numbers that you want. Now turn the wheel back until your number lines up with the code indicator. You then repeat using the other wheels. Finally, just close the shackle and test the code by pressing the push button. You can also use the same code to open other padlocks in the range, so one code opens all. The CP50 range is all about convenience and quality. It's available in standard open shackle, closed shackle, long shackle and extra long shackle. It's perfect for securing sheds, lorries, lockups, toolboxes and storage areas. Also available is the smaller CP40 and larger CP60 combination padlocks. The Smart Trio offer low, medium and high security protection for your everyday requirements. As with all of our products, the CP range comes with our 10-year personal guarantee. Squire is a global leader in premium quality combination padlocks. Technological innovation is our trademark, and producing the right security solutions for you is what we do best.